Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Hitchcock Dolly animation using just a single photo. And the best part, it's completely free using Picverse. So let's get started. First, just open Picverse, and then you can do this either on the web or using the app like this. And then next one, sure, and just make sure to log in with your Google account. And don't worry if you are new, Picverse will give you free credits every day so you can generate amazing animations without spending a cent. And then next we will look for the right template. Just tap on template sections and then just go to search bar and then just search for Hitchcock. This one, just tap on it like this and then just use template. And then next just upload your photo. Just select the image that you want to animate. Make sure the photo is clear and high quality for the best result, like this. And then when you're done, just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits, and then Picverse will automatically apply the Hitchcock Dolly effect, turning your static photo into a moving animations. So just simply tap on create and then go back and then go to mine and wait for the process. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. You will see your photo moving in the classic Hitchcock Dolly styles. Next, if you are happy with the results, you can download it or just share it directly to your social media. And okay, there you have it, your very own Hitchcock Dolly animations made from just a single photo. It's completely free. And okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.